In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete background image of a Constant Contact template. Start by opening the email template you want to edit in Constant Contact, and make sure you are in the editor where you can see your layout and design settings. Removing a background image or pattern is a quick change, but it can make a big difference in readability, especially if your text is hard to see or your branding looks too busy. First, go to the left-hand panel and click the Design tab. This area controls the overall look of your email, including fonts, colors, and background styling. If you are currently working in a different panel, such as blocks or content, switching to design is important because background settings are managed here, not inside individual text or image blocks. Next, within the design options, find the section labeled Background and click it to expand. When this section opens, you will see settings that affect the behind-the-scenes appearance of the template. This is where Constant Contact lets you control the background treatment that sits behind your email content. Now locate the option called Outer Background. The outer background is typically the area surrounding your main email body. Depending on the template, it may show as a pattern, a textured image, or another decorative background. This is often the setting responsible for a background image effect that you want to remove. Once you are on Outer Background, click the pencil icon to edit it. This pencil icon opens the customization choices for that background. From the options that appear, select No Pattern. Choosing No Pattern removes the existing pattern or background image effect from the outer area, leaving you with a clean, plain background. After you select No Pattern, take a moment to look at your template preview. Confirm that the outer area now looks simple and that your content stands out clearly. If your design includes brand colors, you can keep the rest of your styling consistent while still removing visual clutter from the background. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.